Hi everybody. Today I would like to show you how to play back a video on an iPad which was recorded with a Canon wireless Reglia camcorder. Why do we need this? Usually when we have some video recorded on the camcorder, internal memory or on the SD card, and we want to take a look on them, then we need a TV, some cables, connect the two things together, and then sit back and enjoy the movies. If you have a wireless Canon Reglia camcorder and a portable device, then you can use wireless connection to play back videos. Just turn on your camcorder, go to Playback, and here we can see all the videos which have been recorded on the camcorder. Here you press Menu, and among the different options you should select the wireless, the Wi-Fi option. Here you select the movie uploader function, which is required to stream your videos wirelessly to your iPad. Now your camcorder will show you the SSID and the password which is required for the connection. On your iPad, select the setup menu and go to the wireless settings. Here you will see the SSID of your Reglia camcorder. Select it, and then you are prompted for the password. Enter the password. The password you can find on the camcorder. It is just below the SSID. Press join and wait until your camera and iPad is connected. Leave the setup menu and start a free application from Pixela Corporation called the Movie Uploader. This you can find in the App Store. Press Camcorders and select your camera. Choose between internal memory or SD card, and then you will see the thumbnails of your video recordings on your iPad. Select one and press the play button. Enjoy your video. Thanks for watching.